Hi my dear children, I hope you are all safe at home, right? Myself Sandhya, going to teach 4th standard maths third lesson. What is the third lesson name, my dears? The third lesson name is multiplication. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. So today we are going to see part 2. Today we are going to see part 2. The second lesson name is multiplication. So today's our topic is multiplication by tens, multiplication by hundreds and multiplication by thousand. So multiplication by tens means that is tens form. So what are all tens forms you know? So you know all the tens forms, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So these are all called the tens form. So listen my children, multiplication by tens. Multiplication by tens, multiply a number by, so one number multiply by 10, 20, 30 up to 90. So first you should multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 and finally you should insert 10 to the right side of the product. Finally you should insert 10 to the right side of the product. So listen. So listen my children. For example, 115 is multiplied by 20. 115 is multiplied by 20. First you are going to take a number alone. Here the number is 2. So take 2 multiply by 5. Then you take 2 multiply by 1 and take 2 multiply by 1. So what is the answer to 5s are? That is 2 times of 5 or 5 times of 2. The answer is 10. What is the answer? The answer is 10. So here we got 2-digit number, right? So this is ones place and this is tens place. So ones place value we should write under the ones column and tens place value we should write the carry over to the tens column, right? 1 here. Now we will take 2 ones are. So what is the answer? 2 ones are. 2 ones are 2 and keep 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So the answer is 3, right? 3 here. Next we will take again 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 2 ones are 2. The actual answer is 115 multiplied by 2. The answer is 230 and finally you should 1 zeros to the right side of the product. So the final answer is 2300. Next we will see one more example. I will take 301 multiplied by 70. 301 multiplied by 70. First you are going to take a number alone, 7. 7 taken multiply by all the numbers. Then finally you should insert 1 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay. So what is the answer? 7 ones are. 7 ones are 7. Next you will take a 7 zeros are. 7 zeros are 0. Next we will take a 7 threes are. So 7 threes are is 7 times of 3 or 3 times of 7. Now tell me Lishant, what is the answer? 7 threes are? Very good. Clap your hands for Lishant. Is it the correct answer? The answer is 21. 7 threes are 21. And finally you should insert 1 zeros to the right side of the product. You should insert 1 zero to the right side of the product and take and write the answer 21070. So 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000. So 21,070. 21,070. So this is our first topic. The topic is multiplications by tens. So you know my dears, the multiplication by tens means that is tens form. 10, 20, 30 up to 90. Up to 90. Next we are going to see the multiplication by the hundreds form. Multiplication by the hundreds form. So that too you know 100, 200, 300, 400 and up to 900. So listen. So our next topic, multiplication by 100. So this is same as multiply by tens form. So tens form, now first we will take a number by multiply by 1, 2, 3 and finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So listen here. Here already they given multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 up to 9 respectively. And finally you should insert 2 zeros to the 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Already they are given one example, 8 multiply by 3. So, here you are going to take 8 ones and multiply by 3. Okay. 3 8s are, what is the answer? 3 8s are 24. So, write the answer 24 and finally you should insert 2 zeros. Finally, you should insert 2 zeros. So, the answer is 2400. What is the answer? 2400. Next, we are going to see another example. I will take the question 35 multiply by 500. 35 multiply by 500. First, you are going to take 5 and multiply by 5 and multiply by 3. Okay. Then finally, you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Listen, what is the answer? 5 5s are? 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. This is ones and this is tens. Ones and tens. So, ones place value you should write under the ones column and tens place value you are going to write carry over to the tens column 2. Next, we will take 5 3s are. So, 5 5s are 25 means 5 3s are 15. So, keep 15 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 15 after 16, 17. What is the answer? 17. 175 and finally, you are going to insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So, this is called as a number multiplied by hundreds form. So, 100 form means already you know 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 up to 900. First simply you take and multiply a number and finally you should insert a 1 0. 1 0 means that is tens form, 2 zeros means that is hundreds form, right. The next one is multiplication by 1000. Multiplication by 1000. So, listen my children, it is same as to 10 and 100 like. So, first you are going to take a number alone. Okay. So, 1000 form means 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, it will be goes on up to 9000. So, listen here, multiply a number by 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. First, you are going to multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 up to 9 respectively and insert 3 zeros to the right side on the product. For example, the equation is 7 multiplied by 3. Now, you take 3 and multiply by 7. So, what is the answer? The answer is 21. So, simply write 21 and finally, you should insert 3 zeros. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So, the answer is 21,000. What is the answer? 21,000. Next, we will see the one more example. I will take 90 multiply by 9,000. 90 multiply by 9,000. First, you are going to take 9 and multiply by 0 and 9 multiply by 1. So, what is the answer? 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. The next one is 9 9s are 81. That is 9 times of 9. So, the answer is 81. Hope everyone knows the 9 table, right. So, 9 9s are 81. Then finally, you should insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. Finally, you should insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. Then finally, write the answer 8 1 0 0 0 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 8 lakh 10,000. What is the answer? 8 lakh 10,000. So, now you learn multiplication by tens form, multiplication by hundreds form and multiplication by thousands form. Next, we will see only we should multiply by tens, 100, 1000 means what we get the answer. So, listen my children, this is very important note. When we multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, first you are going to write the right side left side number. So, left side number means that is question. Okay. First you are going to write the left side number, then insert 1 0 means that is multiplication by 10. 2 zeros means that is multiplication by hundreds, 3 zeros means that is multiplication by 1000. ஸோ 10, 100, 1000 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணுங்க, simply you should take and write the question. Whatever question they given, take and write. Then insert 10 means that is by 10, 2 zeros means that is by 100, and 3 zeros means that is by 1000. So listen, the first question is 12 multiply by 10. 12 multiply by 10. So first you are going to take and write the question. What is the question here? Here the question is 12. So write 12 and insert 10. The answer is 120. What is the answer? 120. We will see one more example. Take a 35 multiply by 10. So first you are going to write the question. What is the question? The question is 35. So write 35 and insert 10 and insert 10. So 35 tens are, the answer is 350. Okay. So next we are going to see multiply by hundreds. So multiply by hundreds and multiply by 1000. So listen my children, here already they are given the question. 35 is multiplied by 100. 35 is multiplied by 100. So simply write the 35 and insert 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So we will see another example. Take 49 multiplied by 100. 49 multiplied by 100. First you are going to write the question. What is the question we have? 49. Just insert 2 zeros. Just insert 2 zeros. This is the answer. 4900. And final example is 878 is multiplied by 1000. 878 is multiplied by 1000. So first you will write 878. First you will write 878 and insert 3 zeros. How many zeros? 3 zeros. We will see another example. Take 450 multiply by 1000. 450 multiply by 1000. First you are going to write the question 450 and insert how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So the final answer is 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 4,50,000. What is the answer? 4,50,000. Okay, in this section you all learn multiplication by tens, multiplication by hundreds, and finally multiplication by 1000. So I hope everyone enjoy this section. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank and self assessment work. So my dear students, do the self assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.
I am B. Rishikeshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M. Masin.